Hi students, welcome to the class. Now we are going for question paper 2019 question paper. This is joint venture for 40 marks question. See the question. Akash and Ashwin undertook a joint venture for construction of a college. We need to construct some kind of college. For that, two co-ventures came together. That is, one is Akash, one more is Ashwin. Next one, Akash and Ashwin deposited 2,50,000 respectively. That is, Akash invested 2 lakh rupees of amount, whereas Ashwin invested 50,000 rupees of amount. So, what is the journal entry for this one? That is first entry. Any kind of co-venturers invested amount into the capital. So, what is the journal entry? First entry, that is joint bank upon data 2. Joint bank upon data 2 co-venture account. This is the entry for first one. This is the entry. But in the problem, that's we need to prepare some kind of ledger account. How to prepare the ledger accounts? See, when come here, we need to prepare 3 accounts. One is joint venture account, joint bank account, then we need to go for co-venture account. What is the entry here? A joint bank account data 2 co-venture account. Go for the first entry. Which is the first account we need to prepare? Joint venture account. In this, is given any kind of joint venture here? No, ignore. Don't prepare any kind of joint venture. Go for next one, co-venture account. In this, any kind of co-venture here, co-venture is there, that is credited. So, which is the debit entry? Go for by joint bank account. Here, what a co-venture? One is Akash, one more is Ashwin. How much Akash invested? That is 2 lakh. Ashwin invested 50,000. Next one, go for joint bank account. In this entry, is there any kind of joint bank? Entry C, joint bank account data 2 co-venture account. Which account we need to prepare? Joint bank, ignore joint bank. Which is left out? That is 2 co-venture. Here, who are the co-venturers? One is Akash. How much is Akash capital? 2 lakh. Next one, Ashwin. How much is Ashwin invested? That is 50,000. We need to go for this like, if you're following this method, within 5 minutes we can finish up the problem. Else, if you want, in the sense, we need to prepare for joint venture account entirely, then we need to go for co-venture account separately, then we need to go for joint bank account separately. Instead of going for separate account each time, prepare all the accounts at a time by using the journal entries. Go for next one. Salary rupees 30,000, wages rupees 1,80,000. Salary and wages, assume it is a kind of income or expenses. Salary is like a salary and wages for the employees we need to pay. So for the joint venture is a kind of expenses. When it comes to expenses, I already told if it is paid by both, if it is paid by individual. See here, salary rupees 30,000, wages rupees 1,80,000. Who paid? Is given any kind of information. It is paid by Ashwin, it is paid by Akash, like that. No, right? So assume it as salary and wages they paid by both. If it is paid by any kind of expense paid by both, in a sense, what is the entry? That is joint venture account data 2 joint bank account. Joint venture account data 2 joint bank account, because cash moving out of the business, that is joint bank account should be credited. First the entry. Joint venture account data 2 joint bank account. Which are the two accounts which need to be effect here? One is joint venture account, one more is joint bank account. There is no effect on co-venture account. Go for entry first one, joint venture account data 2 joint bank account. Which account we need to prepare? First one, joint venture. Leave this joint venture, which is left out, to joint bank account. To joint bank account. How much salary? Salary is 30,000. How much wages? 1,80,000. So total 30,000 plus 1,80,000. Answer we are getting 2,10,000. First, which is one more account? That is joint venture account to joint bank. Go for joint bank account. Leave the joint bank, which is left out, joint venture, that is by joint venture account. How much the amount? That is 2,10,000. I think you are following this method. Go for next one. Machinery supplied by Akash. See the difference here. Machinery supplied by Akash rupees 35,000. Material supplied by Ashwin rupees 35,000. Any kind of machinery purchase, any kind of things purchasing, cash moving out of the business. Usually entries joint venture account data to joint bank account when if it is paid by both. But here machinery supplied means machinery purchase by whom? By Akash. It's a kind of machinery supplied. It's a kind of expenses. Expense paid by whom? Co-venturer. Who is the co-venturer here? That is Akash. Any kind of expense paid by individual person, we need to go for what? Joint venture account data to co-venturer account. Who is the co-venturer here? That is Akash. Next entry, third one. Joint venture account data to Akash. Next one, material supplied by Ashwin rupees 35,000. First one, Akash supplied machinery. Second one, Ashwin supplied material. That is both are expense only. Expense are paid by co-venturers. Entries what? Joint venture account to Akash account for Akash. When it comes to Ashwin, joint venture account data to Ashwin account. Pass the journal entry. Now we need to go for third one and fourth one. Which are the two accounts? Joint venture account data to Akash account, that is affecting on joint venture and co-venturer. Next one, joint venture account data to Ashwin account, same. Joint venture and co-venturer account. See the first one. Joint venture account data to Akash account. Joint venture account data to Akash account. How much Akash is supplied? That is 35,000. One more. Joint venture account to Akash. One more. Akash is credited by joint venture. By joint venture for Akash. How much? That is 35,000. Next one. Joint venture account data to Ashwin account. Joint venture debited, which is credited here to Ashwin account. So what is the value? Same. That is 35,000. Next one more account to Ashwin. So this is the debited entry by, already we wrote by joint venture. What is the value? Ashwin, that is 35,000. If you want, you can write again by joint venture. For Ashwin, you have to write 35,000. Next one, building material purchase rupees 4 lakh. Building material purchase, they not specified any kind of name like whether it is purchased by Akash or either it is purchased by Ashwin. Now, what we need to assume, building material purchase rupees 4 lakh. Assume it is paid by them both. Both of them together, they paid rupees 4 lakh. Which one? That is building purchase rupees 4 lakh. Any kind of purchasing, cash is coming in or going out. Usually any kind of purchasing, cash going out of the business. And one more, it is paid by both. In come to both, we need to use joint bank account. So what is the other entry? Fifth one, that is joint venture account data to joint bank account. Those who have not followed first video, please visit the first video. Please see that first video. In that first video, you can in detail we discuss like why you need to use joint bank, why you need to use co-venture and all. Entry is joint venture account data to joint bank account. Which are the two accounts? One is joint venture, one more is joint bank account. When it comes to joint venture to joint bank, in the joint venture, I need to write to joint bank account. So what is the value? Value is 4 lakh. Next one, when come to joint bank, name is joint bank, which is left out by joint venture. So what is the value? Saying that is 4 lakh. Next one, architect fees 25,000, carriage unit 45,000, machinery purchase 80,000. And one more, see, when come to joint venture, have some kind of basic English knowledge. Why in the sense, see, wherever they are giving full stop and commas, if it is commas in the sense, we need to read continuously. If it is full stop in the sense, like example, see here, building material purchase rupees 4 lakh. It's a kind of full stop here. So we need to stop only sentence from only till here. When come here, see here, architect fees 25,000, comma, carriage inward 45,000, comma, missionary purchase 80,000, full stop. It means those three items comes in only one sentence. Architect fees 25, carriage inward 45,000, missionary purchase 80,000. It is a kind of income or expenses. It is a kind of expenses paid by whom? They are not specified any kind of name here. Then we need to assume it is kind of expense paid by both. Again, joint venture account data to joint bank account. Which are the two accounts? One is joint venture account, one more is joint bank account. When come to joint venture, I need to write to joint bank account. So what is the value? One is 25,000, 45 plus 80. 25, 60, 70. That is 1,50,000. Next one. On completion of project, Akash took over unused materials rupees 40,000 on the completion of the project at end. Akash took over unused materials rupees 40,000. What it means by unused material? Unused material in the sense at the end of the accounting year or end of the completion of the project, they took over some kind of assets here. That is unused raw material or unused some kind of material. So what is the value here? 40,000. Any kind of asset taken over by co-venturer. So what is the entry? That is 7th one. Co-venturer account data to joint venture account. So who is the co-venturer here? That is Akash. Akash took over some kind of assets. If it is Akash paid liabilities, then opposite. Joint venture account data to Akash account. So what is the value? Akash took over unused raw material rupees 40,000. Which account will be prepared? Joint venture account. And to write joint venture ignore. That is by Akash. So what is the value here? That is 40,000. Next one. One more. That is Akash. It is co-venturer by 2 joint venture. For Akash, that is 40,000. Next one. Machinery was sold for rupees 60,000. Full stop. Machinery was sold. If we sold to any kind of value, cash is a kind of income or expenses. If we sold, if we purchasing expenses. At the same time, if we are selling in a sense, we are receiving some kind of in return, that is true by cash. Machinery was sold for rupees so much? 60,000. Debit expenses, credit income. That is entry last one. That is joint bank account data to joint venture. Joint bank account data to joint venture. Go for here. Will come to joint venture by joint bank account. What is the value? That is 60,000. Joint and fork. When come to one more account, that is joint bank account by joint bank account, it will become what? 2 joint venture. So what is the value? Same amount, that is 60,000. Next one. Ashwin was to be paid a remuneration of rupees 30,000 for his service leave. See, for Ashwin we paid some amount. So how much amount we paid? Rupees 30,000. Why we paid the for amount to the co-venturer? Actually, co-venture is like owner for the business. For that person only we paid some kind of extra amount. So how much is the amount? 30,000. Why in the sense? For his services. For in joint venture business, he has provided some kind of services. For that reason, we paid some kind of amount. So what is the amount? That is 30,000. Think in a way of joint venture. I will paid some kind of amount to the co-venturer, rupees 30,000. For me, for the joint venture, it's an income or expenses. It's a kind of expenses. So expenses we need to come under debit side. For whom we paid? If you paid to the outsiders, we need to use joint venture account to joint bank account. Correct? But here we paid those kind of amount for the co-venturer. Who is the co-venturer here? That is Ashwin. Then we need to use joint venture account data to Ashwin account. That is co-venturer account. Because he is the co-venture, because he is the like partner for us. Then come to entry, joint venture account data to, for whom we paid for Ashwin. Even sometimes in question they are going to give commission, like on sales 2% on commission, on sales amount 3%, 4% commission for the business kind of expenses. But for the co-venture, if you pay this is joint venture account data to co-venture. But here we paid for Ashwin, that is joint venture account data to Ashwin account. So what is the value? Rupees 30,000. One more. Joint venture account data to Ashwin account. Then come here to Ashwin, it will become by joint venture for Ashwin, that is 30,000. Next one, at end, contract price rupees 10 lakh was received. Actually, this agreement they made for rupees how much of amount? Contract amount is 10 lakh. At end of the year, they receive how much of amount? 10 lakh. If you receive any kind of amount, that is cash is coming in. What is the entry? Last entry, that is joint bank account data to joint venture. When come to your entry, right, by joint bank account, how much amount we received, that is 10 lakh. When come to opposite, by it will become to, that is joint bank to joint venture. What is the amount? That is 10 lakh. Close it. Close all the accounts. Identify the difference. First go for joint venture account difference, then go for co-venture difference, then at end joint bank both debit and credit need to be equal. Go for joint venture account. I think credit side we are getting more amount. That is credit side we are getting 11 lakh, whereas debit side we are getting around 2 lakh, 8 lakh, 10,000 something. Difference amount, that is profit amount. Take it as difference amount we are getting like 2 lakh 40,000. Total value is 11 lakh. How come this difference 2 lakh 40 in the sense? See, credit side we are getting more amount, that is 11 lakh. Whereas debit side we are getting only around 8 lakh 40,000 or 8 lakh 60,000 something. Difference amount we are getting on debit side. If it is opposite, we will write on credit side. Next one, this is profit. We already discussed in first video. If you are coming any kind of debit balance, it is profit. If you are getting credit balance, it's a kind of loss here. This profit is belongs to whom? This profit amount belongs to co-venture. That is to co-venture account. What the co-venture? One is Akash, one more is Ashwin. We need to divide this 2,40,000 between Akash and Ashwin. How to divide? What is the ratio? See here, profit sharing ratio is 2:1. But sometimes in the problem, they are not going to give the ratio. Then we need to use 1:1 ratio, or else we need to go for capital amount invested. You can take anyone. When come to 2,40,000 divided by 2/3, we are getting difference as 1,60,000 for Akash and difference amount 8,000 for Ashwin. Next one. When come to co-venturer, when come to co-venturer account, it will become what? That is by joint venture. How much is for Akash? 1,60,000. How much is for Ashwin? That is 8,000. Close the account. That is 3,95,000. One more. 1,95,000. difference amount we need to settle. Through by what? Through by joint bank account. Here say 1,95,000 and come to here 3,55,000. To joint bank it will become by co-venture, that is by Ashwin account and by Akash. By Ashwin account is 1,95,000, by Akash account is 3,55,000. Totally we are getting 13,10,000, 13,10,000. This so we need to go for the, by using journal entries we need to prepare ledger accounts. Even sometimes in the question they may ask journal entries also. Even if you know journal entries, you can prepare either journal entries or ledger accounts. But important is your journal entries. By using journal entries, this is how we need to prepare the ledger accounts. How to prepare the journal entries? For that we need to visit the first video. To see the first video, watch the first video, then you will get some kind of some idea how to prepare some kind of journal entries and all. This is all about the ledger accounts. This is 2019 question paper. If you have any doubts, ask in the comment section. If possible, we are going to answer it. Thank you.